Mellerware brand was founded in South Africa in 1986. And today we are probably the largest manufacturer of small domestic appliances in Southern Africa. We believe in bringing exceptional value to consumers in South Africa. So we're a South African brand built for South Africans, by South Africans, and we uplift communities, we create jobs, we upskill individuals, and we use locals to build a product for our market. If one looks at products, for example, like the biltong maker, that's perfect because nowhere else in the world do consumers consume biltong the way we do in South Africa. It's a South African delicatessen, and we've designed and innovated and developed a product to suit the South African market.
I think the Mzansi store on the Amazon is an awesome opportunity for us to tell a story about our locally manufactured products. And I think every product that is sold on the Mzansi store not just empowers our local community, but it also uplifts our local communities. I think we need to focus on the future, and especially with our current economic environment in South Africa. And something I think we've done really well with our local manufacturing is when we expanded our local manufacturing plant and our production facility, we created over 50 jobs for our local economy. I think the support from the Amazon team as well has been incredible, shifting us from selling out of our warehouses to putting our stock into their DCs. The effortless process that transition has been absolutely incredible. Getting our products to our end consumers quicker and faster. I think it just makes the entire journey a lot easier and simpler for the end user to get a high quality product delivered to them within a day, if not the next day.
Manufacture is critical to our business. We believe in the community, we believe in local products, we believe in controlling our environment as well as the quality of our products. So when you buy a South African manufactured product, you're helping uplift the communities. So thank you to all those consumers out there that are helping us to change South Africa.